Hello everyone. Today's video is about making timed quiz using Google Forms. We are all using Google Forms for making quizzes, but the only thing which we feel that is not there in the Google Forms is the timing. So today I will show you how to use the add-on called as extended forms so that we can have the timed quiz. So with this, you can set an overall time limit on your quiz, that is how much time, in how much time a person should complete your quiz. Please remember that this feature will not work on G Suite accounts unless your admin specifically enables them. Okay, so this is the form which I have already created. Now I will click on these three dots and then I will click on the add-ons. Here I will search for extended forms. Then I will click here, then install. So extended forms needs your permission. Continue. Then you have to allow whatever permission it needs. We have to allow, then only we will be able to find it. So now extended form has been installed. Okay, now we'll close this window. Now we are going to click on this icon, extended forms, configure. Okay. Now we have to connect it to extendedforms.io. So we'll click on this slider. It will do a little bit of processing. Now you can see extended forms ID, this field has come here. Okay. Now you can see here, I will change some okay. Now you can see here I can increase the time limit. Now I am restricting this form to 20 minutes. Okay, and save. Now it is asking that some settings needed to be fixed. The form displays a link to edit to a response after submitting it. So we have to go to fix setting. Okay, so settings are synced successfully. I will show what settings are changed. Okay, I had changed the setting edit after submit, so this setting has been removed by this add-on. Now I will click again on save. Okay, then here I will click on save. So now my form is ready to be shared. Okay, so let's have a preview of it. Right, now you can see this is coming, 20 minutes time is there. I'll click on get started. You can see at the top there is a countdown window going on, right? So this once this comes to 0, the form will be auto submitted, right? Now I'll go back to my previous screen. So you can see on the top the countdown is still going on. Once everybody has submitted, then we can go to view responses tab. When we go on view responses, then we will see this kind of dashboard. You can see here 0 to 100 response quota used. Okay, so from here you can check out whatever the attempts are taken by your students. Here you will get what are the individual scores. Okay, still you can see on the top the counting is going on, right? So friends, this is one of the ways in which we can make the timed quizzes. I hope you have liked this video. Please share your valuable suggestions to me. Thank you.